My name is Saxon Mercado. I'm a junior in high school, and I wrote a research paper that took 5 to 6 months to write. I haven't f- I haven't found a name for my paper yet, so I've just been calling it my research paper. Introduction. This paper discusses how trauma, particularly adverse childhood experiences (ACEs), affect people into adulthood. It explores the emotional and behavioral impacts of ACEs, including how they influence attachment styles and relationships. The paper also highlights the importance of resilience and coping strategies in overcoming these challenges. Ultimately, it aims to raise awareness and offer hope for healing and growth. I created a vocabulary section because I wasn't sure if some people would know the certain terms I used for my paper, but the main ones I grasped onto were adverse childhood experiences, traumatic events during childhood, such as abuse, neglect, or household dysfunction that can negatively affect emotional and physical development throughout life, disorganized attachment styles, a type of insecure attachment that can develop in childhood, typically due to trauma or inconsistent caregiving. Individuals with this attachment style may have unpredictable, confusing behavior in relationships, and often due to fear or mistrust. And finally, intimate partner violence, IPV, is abuse or violence occurring within romantic relationships, which may involve physical violence, emotional abuse, sexual violence, or controlling behaviors. It can have long-lasting emotional and psychological effects on those involved. Aim for why I wrote this paper. The aim of this paper is to explore long-term impact of adverse childhood experiences, ACEs, on individuals, particularly how these experiences influence emotional and behavioral development into adulthood. It also seeks to raise awareness about the importance of resilience, coping strategies, and healing and overcoming the challenges posed by trauma. And for the last slide, I added a link to my paper if you would like to read it. And as of currently right now, my paper will be published to a journal called Currick's Academic Journal. I'm not sure if I pronounced that right. Thank you for watching this. I appreciate your time. Have a nice evening or morning.